Greetings, car lovers. Welcome back to AutoHelpExperts. If you don't know who I am, my name is Ramon Jack. I've more than 8 years professional sales experience. I've consistently been the top salesman, generating millions in revenue every month, becoming the face of the company, and I've featured in multiple advertisements and radio interviews. Today, we're diving into a topic that's the fuel to your success in car sales: persistence. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the keys to unlock unparalleled success. Let's dive in. Section 1, the power of persistence. Before we rev up, let's understand why persistence is the secret ingredient in the recipe for triumph in car sales. Number 1, mindset shift. Persistence is the mindset that turns obstacles into stepping stones. It's not about avoiding rejection. It's about learning from it and turning every no into a step closer to a yes. Number 2, resilience. It's the backbone of resilience in the face of challenges. In this industry, challenges are the pit stops on the road to success. Persistence helps you navigate them with resilience. Number 3, building trust. Customers appreciate persistence when it's coupled with genuine care. Follow-up isn't just a task. It's a way of saying, I value your business and I'm here for you. Section 2, embracing rejection. Now, let's talk about a concept that might seem counterintuitive. Embracing rejection. Number 1, learning opportunity. Each rejection is a chance to learn and adapt. Understanding why a deal didn't close provides valuable insights for refining your approach in the future. Number 2, desensitize to no. The more no's you face, the less intimidating they become. It's like toughening up your skin. The more you face rejection, the less it stings, and the more resilient you become. Number 3, path to yes. Every no brings you one step closer to a yes. Behind every no, there's a yes waiting. Persistence keeps you on the path until you find it. Section 3, consistent follow-up. The heart of persistence lies in consistent follow-up. Let's talk about making these follow-ups count. Number 1, strategic follow-up. It's not about being a pest. It's about strategic, value-driven follow-up. Timing is key. Follow up with valuable information, updates, or incentives to keep the conversation alive. Number 2, multi-channel approach. Use various channels for follow-up. Calls, email, or even social media. Everyone has their preferred communication channel. Being where your customer is increases your chances of being heard. Number 3, personalized engagement. Tailor your follow-ups based on previous interactions. Reference past conversations. It shows you value the relationship and aren't just sending generic messages. Section 4, handling objections. Objections are roadblocks, but with persistence, you can turn them into stepping stones. Let's master the art of handling objections. Number 1, active listening. Listen to understand, not just to respond. Often, objections are a customer's way of expressing concerns. Actively listen, acknowledge, and address their concerns. Number 2, educate, don't convince. Provide information. Let the customer convince themselves. Instead of pushing, guide them with information. An informed decision is more likely to stick. Number 3, trial closes. Throughout the conversation, trial closes can help you gauge their mindset. Ask questions that prompt a decision. Even if it's a small one, it helps you understand their readiness to commit. Section 5, adapting to the customer. Persistence isn't about a one-size-fits-all approach. Let's explore the art of adapting to each customer. Number 1, flexibility. Be ready to adapt your sales strategy based on the customer's preferences. Some customers prefer a straightforward approach, while others may want more details. Flexibility is your ally. Number 2, understanding needs. Tailor your pitch to address the specific needs of the customer. A car isn't just a product, it's a solution to their needs. Understand those needs and present your product as the solution. Number 3, building rapport. The more you understand about your customer, the better you can connect. Building a rapport goes beyond the transaction. It creates a connection that can lead to repeat business and referrals. Section 6, celebrating small wins. In the world of persistence, every small win is a victory. Let's celebrate those wins. Number 1, milestones matter. Acknowledge and celebrate achievements, no matter how small. Whether it's a successful test drive or overcoming an objection, each step forward is a win. Number 2, positive reinforcement. Celebrating builds a positive mindset that fuels persistence. Positive reinforcement keeps you motivated. It's the mental fuel that keeps you going. Number 3, team celebrations. In a dealership, celebrate not just individual wins, but team successes. A successful deal is often a collaborative effort. Recognize and celebrate the collective victories. And there you have it, your roadmap to mastering the role of persistence in car sales success. If you found these strategies valuable, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more automotive insights, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, persist with passion, and success will undoubtedly follow.